Welcome to Auto Wheels Review, where we take you inside the most powerful, luxurious, and jaw-dropping vehicles on the planet. Today, we're bringing you something extraordinary. The 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome, a fusion of iconic trucking heritage and state-of-the-art comfort. This motorhome is not just a vehicle. It's a moving mansion with the soul of a legend. The Kenworth W900 is already one of the most recognized and respected names in the trucking world. In its 2025 motorhome avatar, it retains that unmistakable long nose profile, polished chrome detailing, and aggressive stance that demands respect wherever it goes. The exterior is built on a heavy-duty reinforced chassis with massive tires and air ride suspension, designed to glide over highways and handle tough back roads with ease. Powering this beast is a monstrous 15-liter Cummins X15 diesel engine that pushes out over 600 horsepower with insane torque. Matched with an Eaton 18-speed automated manual transmission, it gives you full control with minimal effort. Despite its size, the W900 motorhome drives with surprising smoothness. Adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and automatic braking make long hauls not only possible, but comfortable. And while the outside screams power, step inside, and you enter a world of quiet luxury. The cabin is custom designed with premium materials from floor to ceiling. Rich walnut wood finishes, handcrafted leather upholstery, soft touch panels, and ambient LED lighting create a space that feels more like a high-end apartment than a motorhome. The living area offers plush dual recliners that can be adjusted electronically, facing a 60-inch smart TV with surround sound. A rotating entertainment wall lets you enjoy media from multiple angles, whether you're relaxing after a long drive or hosting friends at a stopover. The windows are tinted panoramic glass with motorized blackout shades for privacy at night and crystal clear views during the day. The kitchen space is clean and modern, featuring solid surface counters, a high-end induction cooktop, convection, microwave, deep sink, custom cabinetry, and plenty of workspace. Whether you're heating up a quick meal or prepping a full dinner, it's a kitchen designed for those who love the road, but don't want to sacrifice convenience. The bedroom is perhaps the most luxurious part of the W900's interior. A king-size memory foam mattress sits at the center, flanked by floating nightstands, soft reading lights, and embedded USB charging points. Built-in cabinets, a secondary flat-screen TV, and underbed storage make it as functional as it is beautiful. Overhead, a skylight lets you stargaze from your pillow, or close it with a single tap on the control panel. And speaking of control, the entire RV runs on smart systems. A central touchscreen gives you access to lighting, temperature, battery monitoring, solar panel status, water levels, and entertainment. There's also voice command integration for hands-free control of most features, plus remote monitoring through an app when you're away from the rig. The W900 also comes with full off-grid capabilities, a powerful solar array, lithium-ion battery bank, inverter system, and generator for backup. Whether you're parked at a campsite, by the beach, or deep in the wilderness, your power needs are fully covered. It's not just a vehicle. It's freedom, independence, and luxury rolled into one. Starting around $550,000, the 2025 Kenworth 900 motorhome isn't built for everyone. It's built for those who dream bigger, travel farther, and demand the best. Would you take this legendary beast on the road? Tell us in the comments. And if you want more reviews of the world's most powerful vehicles, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Auto Wheels Review, and hit that bell icon for the next adventure on wheels.